ASAP, but the day can behave. Out and afraid of the soldier, boulder, pass, crossing everything in the way. Yeah, any more rocks that tip me today? Just stand in the corner of a scope to the eye, a spectacle, muddying up and funny enough. Before thought engaged to relay a response, the man from his way to the bottom of a dome. Cursed to begin anew with a brand new crew till he grew up sufficiently in order to border on the cusp of greatness. Now, man retreat to the knees feet, peeking as he can for reheats. Beastie claws at the door, but let him in for that cave for the knave can form. I'm on that fine. Need a rewind of the tape. Stop this hot trip to the grace of the day. Look at my chemical leveling up as I stare at your face. Stare at your face. Fathers erasing my space from my mace. Aim to my face. Base of return. Base of return. But I gotta go to the races. Up my sleeve aces. Spade you graces. Now you get a rest of gear up. Gear up. But my ass to the center of first. I can step into meanness. So meanness. I'm prepping for war. Look overhead as I spot the looming final storm. Been final storm. The final storm. Never returning from this. I gotta settle this shit. I'm running to go. Down so bold. Said it's time to finally go. Finish like in the back like Affleck, popping it against us, superior nutty shot, drag race down 360 off on the axis, praxis, land up through this, to the prep for this, no engage for this, give a 1, 2, 6 more down, get a single more, 8 more touch right for the final shot, don't run against the grain, my brains insane, team explodes, I'm on my own too, pick up the torch down, move to the end zone, precision choke, who's neck and spoke, over and then it's time to begin again.
Hello, yeah, Jess. Dude, man, pick up the phone. Jump on the radio. We're on Triple Nickel, man.